Hi, here's a couple quick ways to make buttons. So you see in this course I have some links here that already exist, and I'm going to make some new ones. So just to show you where we're going to edit this at, we're going to go to Edit, and you can see that these, because they get underlined when I highlight them, these are hyperlinks, and they go to corresponding pages. But we're going to click this button over here that shows us. So what you're seeing here first is this code, and it has a section on course introductions and the lessons that I've put in that little table up above. But the other stuff's in a mess way down here. And because I don't want to mess with all that stuff, I'm going to just make it a little bit separate. And I'm going to put a little comment here to make these easier for us to see. And so to do that, you just put a couple dashes in this little symbol here, and this makes it easier for you to kind of spot this area in the code. And this is the easier but less fancy way to do it. So I'm just going to save that for now, and then I'm just going to make this into a code. So I put a table here, or make this into a link. So I put a table here. I'm just going to highlight course introduction, and I'm going to go edit. Sorry, first. No, leave me alone. I'm going to go to course introduction, and then I'm going to provide a hyperlink to that by clicking here. And I'm going to go to course links. I'm going to go to pages, and I will select, of course, course introduction. Now when I click save, it will take me there. It'll be a hyperlink. And if I edit, why always? And then I click on this guy and I find that spot. Now it's a mess of stuff, right? So what happened to my comments? But see where it says this is the cell, and it says A equals title and then course introduction. So if I put the following here, if I put class equals, then I click button there. That's all I have to do. Class equals button. This little bit of text here. Watch what happens. Now it's a button. Not only is it a button, it takes me to course introduction. And I do the same thing with the other guy here. I will go to edit. I will call it course resources. And I will go link, course links, pages. Come on, buddy. Course resources. Now I'm not going to save it first. I'm just going to go here, and it's going to generate the code. So then I got to find it. Here we go. Course resources right here. So right in this spot here, you can go class equals, then you're going to go button, btn space, and then you go button primary, and it'll be, I think it's blue. Whoops. Button primary, and oh, in this case it's purple. it's their standard color, and then we keep editing it. We can go button. There's danger, there's info, there's warning. I'll put a couple more just to show you. Instead of primary, I can put info, and I'll save that. And it'll look different. And these all change colors and stuff according to the theme. These are the UW theme colors. They don't always look like this. And I think the danger is the red one. I'll put danger. There's a bunch. There's warning. There's success. They're different colors. I'll put danger here. And this makes buttons. It's easy. It's super easy to do that this way. And there we go. See that? It turns red. If that freaks you out a little bit, let's say we want to do this a different way. We will make a different button, and we will upload the button here. So I'll go to edit, and I will say I'll make a button that says lesson 1 here. And I'll just delete that for now. I'll leave a space here, and then I will go here. I will go to clickminded.com. There's a little button factory. Now you can do this obviously in Photoshop and Illustrator. It just takes like a million times longer. So I'll go over here. I'm going to click lesson 1. I like the Open Sans font. And then I'm going to pick just leave that as it is, fits the text. And then I'm going to go over here, say fully curved sides. I like to do the following. I like to make it kind of gradient, simple gradient. So I like to typically make it sort of like a, I don't know, like a lighter color on the top and then a darker version of the same color on the bottom. Maybe like that. There you go, lesson 1 button. And then I want to see it in about just JPEG. And I will go to, here's the embed, if I want to embed it. But if we want to download the button image, we go to allow. I don't put it in my name. We're just going to go to computer. We are going to pick my downloads, click the button, go choose, submit. And in a moment, we have our button. It's kind of big, but now we can take this button, edit it, go to here, and link it to lesson 1. Right there. Save. And now here's what it looks like. We got this. That actually links to lesson 1. And you got some buttons. Should work. I hope that helps. Enjoy.